The trial of Mayor Billy Kenoi resumed on Monday. At the start of the court proceeding, Judge Dexter Del Rosario instructed jurors as to their duty under the law.
Statement means any representation but truth.
Before both sides had one last chance to make their case.
Over 8 months to repay the county for a wedding gift to his nephew, and 2 days after the media busted him.
Mayor Kenoi with brushes that smear, that distort his true colors. Mayor Kenoi up there tells you he's offended.
Kenoi's defense attorneys made an unsuccessful motion to dismiss the remaining 5 theft charges against the mayor.
It's outrageous.
Last week, State Circuit Court Judge Dexter Del Rosario dismissed 3 other counts against Kenoi based on insufficient evidence after the state of Hawaii rested its case. Mayor Kenoi himself took the stand in his own defense on Wednesday, explaining the reasons behind the purchase of liquor and other items using his government-issued purchase card.
He's not following the rules like everybody else. He's living above the law.
On Monday, the state tried to convince jurors for one final time that the mayor broke the law by using his P card the way he did.
7 leaning bellinis and a glass of wine. What's a leaning bellini? It's an alcoholic drink. How many office strategic planning lunches have you attended with white tablecloth, 11 glasses of wine, 2 rum drinks, and a mixed drink? He says he was going to pay the county back. For the booze, for the wedding gift to his nephew, for the garment bag, and for other things. The question is, when, Billy, when? When were you going to pay the county back if the media didn't bust you? That's the question. If the spending was legal, why lie about it? You only have to lie when you have something to cover up. And that's what happened here.
Mayor Kenoi is presumed to have been telling the truth. He was straight up. He told you what happened, what didn't happen. He told you the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
The defense told the jury in their closing argument that the mayor was simply doing his job and that his actions were not against the law.
And this puritanical, prudish, prissy fixation on alcohol. I mean, are we in the 20s? Is this prohibition? Are we in modern-day Saudi Arabia? The mayor of this county can expend money on alcohol. And whether they want to have a toast to a valued employee of virtually his last day at work, they can. In his heart, he's making mayoral decisions for the good of the county out of his entertainment budget. But at the same time, he's not ignorant as to how the hostile media would treat things. Kevin Dayton, a serious journalist, who Mayor Kenoi brought in for 2 times in his term, basically told you, you know, these guys are hostile and vicious. I mean, he's the Capitol Bureau Chief of the Star Advertiser. He worked on a rail. He knows that these guys, I mean, they were unfair to the mayor. Was it ever reported, mayor's role in $2 billion saved for the nation's municipalities through his work on CDBG? No. But surely the Crown Royal expenses would have been out on their front page. So he basically makes a decision, you know what, I'm just going to pay it back. Even though I don't need to. Even though my wife's probably going to be pissed. This is the United States. He is the elected mayor of a major municipality. This is not Kazakhstan. This is not a banana republic. Why, Kevin? Why? Why did the state government do this? Restore a good man. I hand William P. Kenoi over to you.
The case now rests in the hands of the 12-person jury.